Hi guys, thanks for coming to my YouTube channel where we're going to be talking about magic and more specifically sleight of hand magic. In these videos I'm going to show you from the very beginning, the basics, to some very advanced things. Today we're going to talk about the glide. The glide is a very cool little move that allows you to maintain a selected card secretly. So I'll teach you a pretty cool trick using that move, and let's get started. Okay, I'm using some bicycle cards here. Bicycle cards are known for their design and their white border. The white border helps to hide things. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to do the trick for you, and then we'll break it down, okay? So here we go. Pick a card, any card. Okay? Put that in the middle like this. Give it a couple of cuts. Now here's what I want you to do. Okay, I want you to cut that deck into 3 piles. Perfect, perfect. Okay, now because your card is in the deck somewhere, it is possible you could have cut to it. Probably not. Just in case, if you do see it here, don't say anything because I don't know what it is. Let's take a look. We've got the Ace of Diamonds, and I don't think it's the Ace of Diamonds. We've got the Joker. I don't think it's the Joker. We've got another Joker. I don't think it's that Joker. Pick a number between 1 and 10. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll tell you what, I'll bet you anything that card right there is your card. You don't think so? Take a look, right on top. Colored Joker. Okay, cool trick, eh? How did I do it? Well, let's get into it and we'll break it down. Let's go. Okay, the first thing you're going to need to know is how to hold a deck. Holding a deck like this is called the mechanic's grip, with your thumb across the top of the deck, your index finger across the front edge, and your other 3 fingers along the side. Okay. I used a fan, I believe, in the actual trick to have somebody pick a card, but all you have to do is just spread the deck out like this. Have somebody pick a card anywhere they want. Okay, so we end up with this. We got the King of Hearts. Okay, so that's step 1. Step 2 is how to put it in the deck and know where it's at. Okay, so we put it really in the middle of the deck and we push it in. But when we do push it in, push further from the top left corner towards the right, and as we push it in, you can see here that it actually sticks out right here. Now that's kind of dramatic, it wouldn't be that much, but it sticks out the side, and all you have to do is put your pinky finger on the bottom of it. If you want it at the top of the deck, you can just pull down on it, but we want it at the bottom, so we're going to push up on that and then square them up. And when we square them up like this, we end up with a pinky break right there. Okay, so now we know where it is. And step 3 is the double undercut. Double undercut is very simple. All you do is put your thumb behind the deck, hold the break, take half the cards underneath the break, put them on top, and now the card is on the bottom of the deck. So pretty much everything is set except for the actual glide when we do the final move. So they cut 3 piles, right? Now remember to mention not to give it away, because they are going to see their card here, and make sure you know which pile it's in. For me, it's this one. Okay, so you hold the deck like this. This is the hand position that you need for the glide, and you turn it over and you really put the 4 on the table. When you take the second pile, you see the Joker. You turn it over like this. You really put the Joker here. On the last one, you do the glide. You show them the King, which is their card, but they don't say anything, and you pretend like it's not. Okay, so when you do that, the glide is you pull down on that card, which exposes the next card underneath it. Okay, that's the card that we're going to put in this pile over here, not the selected card. And then square it back up. Okay, and then you ask for a number, anything from 1 to 10, 1 to 52, whatever it might be. You're still in glide position, and they give you 4, 5, 6. Say 6. Okay, so you do the glide, you pull down, and you count out 6 cards from total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6, you pull the actual card, and that goes down. Now the trick is over, except for the build up, the story, the however you want to do it. But the reveal, they don't think their card is here, they think it's over there. You turn it up, they're baffled. They immediately check here, and they see that their card is not here. So that is the trick. I hope you enjoyed it. let me know in the comments what you think, and I'll be making cool tricks like this available to you quite often. And if you have questions, I can absolutely help you out with problems with sleights or things like that, or even the pattern, the talking, the stories, and how it affects how the trick comes out. So practice, use a video camera if you can. Most people have a video camera these days, so try that out, and you'll be able to see what other people can see and what angles you need to be at for safety, and you can do it. So thanks for watching.